It looks a lot more clear at this time of year. So this is where you never know. Holy shit! Holy for fuck's sakes! Shit. Okay, well then I'm not gonna be able to turn around down there. Holy grief! Yeah, you and me both. This is unreal. Good God, this is unreal. Wind the window down.
Why?
You've got the camera going.
Why, folks?
Busy today here. Busy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. You've got the camera on?
Yes, I do.
Well, you're staring at the dashboard with it. But nobody should be talking about this. Can I get through there?
Yeah, you got 2 feet on each side.
Tim, if you would pay attention to that camera, I would get some decent tape.
I know what it was.
No, you're not.
We're doing the farm.
You realize it's on the tape too now. Just swinging the camera around, right? Okay, so let's see if we can get a shot. Yeah. I've got to come up a little further. Okay, so we'll go over to the yellow barn. I can't get over it. The people out there today. That's unreal. I don't know, maybe I should go home and for leaving the Dan and I'll try to deal with the other truck today too. And get it started so it's cleaned up in there. Does that seem like a reasonable idea too? It does. Oh, come on, you're not that cold. Oh, hold on. I'm going to take a picture of you if this guy ever gets out of my way. Just stand there for a minute. There. Okay, come on. We'll go this way. That's why I was going to park here. Okay. Okay, go over that way. There, you've got your wave. Hang on. There. And guess what? There's boo-boo in the background. That's good. Wow, I need to be out here without boo-boo. Jim? Okay, I don't know if I'm going to need nothing else. Something.
I use this shot a lot on the Charlie Miller page.
Just wait a minute, I've got to get this.
So that's, that's the one I use. Okay, so, boy, I tell you, that truck looks like it just dropped in from a different time zone, Did you catch me? That truck looks like it just dropped in from a different era, like a different world. Yeah, I really did. Go stand in front of it while I finish my cigarette. I'll do a picture or something. Well, the exercise won't hurt you, Tim. I don't think that Big O's is open yet either. Okay, stand there, turn around. Now I want the license plates in. Okay, you ready? Let me find my mask next, okay? Oh, god damn, look at this. Yeah, it should brush off. Let's hope so. gotta find your mask, Tim.
Went to the doctor yesterday. I'm medically exempt.
What?
Went to the
Oh,
doctor.
let's go this way. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. I hope it's a good one.
What?
Nothing, let's go. Are you gonna put it on?
Only if I have to.
Huh?
Only if I have to.
Go ahead. I'm carrying bags and cameras, so if you can open the door, that's a good thing. Okay, so go and find a table or something. Is that open? Where's the horsey? Where's the horsey? There's no horsey. There's no horsey. I took the horsey out. There was a horsey? There was a double ride pony. You know, like you see it. Yeah. There's no how much I paid attention. Yeah. I always come in just to take a picture of the darn thing. Oh, yeah, oh. Well, that's pretty. There's no horse. I mean, this is pretty, but it isn't quite the same. There's no horsey. We got the last picture of the horsey. This says please wait. But I would prefer to sit here. So just turn that over that way. I'm not too worried about it. Just get it over. Just shove it over there. And I gotta find the other thing too, okay? I don't know what this was like. Hi, good. I'm glad that you're still alive.
Oh, me too.
Look at me. Those are lousy pictures. There. Fix your hair. It's standing up. It looks like Isidore's. There, that's better. Yeah, I'm really disappointed there's no Marcy. There's your cards. You can try those. And I feel like I could go home and work on the red truck, but kind of defeats the purpose of being out today, you know? It's beautiful. We have till roughly 4 or 5 o'clock if we wanted. I think it is on the sofa. I can't believe that we were here and just here the time they had it. Mirror. Good God, what a thought. Okay. So you're gonna have to read those off.
Four of Wands.
Pardon me?
4 of Wands.
Okay.
Knight of Chalices. 8 of Pentacles.
No, that's new.
And the Stars.
And the star?
Stars.
That's a good sign. Got the cards. Draw cards.
always did with respect to you. It was more from my insight than yours.
It's just been such a that's cool combo.
Oh, that's right. They gotta go on. Those are probably good clothes.
So what do you make of this out here?
There. Yeah, if I go home, I will just simply do the red truck, and then that's the end of the day.
What?
I managed to get everything done for tomorrow. Is ready to go. I try to have it in folders and organized so I can just get it all pulled off, and I sent out an email, and then I need to, you've got to come up with those transit numbers and stuff, and I will send it to Willow. And she said to me, I said, well, I don't really remember getting a contract to sign.
Your bank account's going to be different.
I know, but I don't remember getting a contract to sign. And she said, well, it wouldn't have maybe come in from Jared, it may have gone into your spam. Well, if it went into that, it's been long empty. Like, so I don't know, and I can't find any record in the, I think I would have sent it to you one, two or two. I can't find any record in it of anything that was on to her that says, you know, here's the numbers and stuff. Although I thought I did. Like, I thought I sent her one that said blah, 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 blah. And expected to hear from Jared and never heard from her. So I don't know if I did. It's sometimes hard to keep track of this stuff, like whatever.
Because I'll do another 2 weeks before I get there. That's the calling for your bad weather. Like we can have it. This is the one break in it. And I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow. And my only other bright idea is to leave the van when we get home. If we have to go anywhere, then leave the van in. Because that would allow me to get the red truck out quicker and faster tomorrow. And if that's the case, then it takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to sweep the garage and tidy everything off, because we've covered it all here. But you can load stuff, and the wheels on that thing are big. That was like so I don't know where you have that. Well, we'll have this too for a walk. Yeah, so when I take a picture of the sun hitting through those things, it does here. Yeah, it does. It's not doing it now. No, it was the way the sun was hitting it. It did warbles like this through it. It was kind of cool. Yeah, like it did these pinwheels all through it. So I guess which makes for a kind of cool picture, right? And this is sunny lunch or something, okay? Look at me and smile. There. I'm gonna ask you to open all the little ketchups though. A whole bunch of little ketchups. There, I'm almost on two. This, I never know that I even managed to get this open. Do you ever think of it that it makes me feel powerful? It actually makes me feel safer. Like there's a difference. Like I'm up here, I can see everything happening around me. It just feels safer. Like, can you imagine what it's like in a semi? Wow! What's wrong? Do you need to change your routine? I do these little things. I got that salt shaker at home. And we ended up carrying this for a while. Like, there's no pepper in this. Oh yeah, I just hear for days. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Okay, I asked her. What? Characters. I don't know why they've taken something off now. They might. You see what I mean? Yeah. I talked about for a while. This is. Here you go, you guys. Thank you. That will make him very happy. Thank you.
I was good to figure out where they were.
There you go. Here, look at me. You got your French fries. Look at me. Look at me. There. I'm going to show them the camera. Look. See? Got the front there. In lieu of hash browns.
No salt.
I put some in my bag. Do you want me to get it out? I put the other ones in. What?
That's already had one.
Oh, you need another one. All right? I'm going to try to pick this up with my fingers because I'm sure it's easier, okay? Yep, that was easier. Thank you. Now you gotta eat the fries too. Yep, that was fun. He should. When he looked up and he saw me, he went, he said, I came out for breakfast anyway. And he smiled. Okay. So he's quite new on this. Can you eat those tonight? Okay, you ready? Those two. Go that way and go through these doors. Can you finish them? And we'll go change that. Come on, we'll go find your tank. Okay, head in that direction. That's cleaned off. Wait a minute. Come on. Can you put that in yourself?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You got the other tank in.
Yes, I did.
Boy, Tim, now look at that. You can still almost climb into one of my trucks. Wow, eh? Now you have to play with your seatbelt, remember? I told you to leave the door open to do it. It might be
I don't have no idea what you just said, but the tape, you better give me the camera soon just so I can get some decent footage.
This is me saying thank you to you for lunch that was very interesting.
Oh, well, it was interesting again, wasn't it?
Yes. Didn't quite get what we wanted.
Well, it was a little closer.
Considering French fries don't look like hot cross.
Well, you know, I have issues because when I'm running this thing, I can't do my other stuff with cameras. Good night, Catherine. You're learning how to drive with no hands again. That's good. That's good. It does come back. I guess. Because there's the snow piece. Now, where is it that you want to go?
I do not
not getting any change in my gas tank, or there's no stop, which is going to be real interesting at the end. This is the Huron Reserve. This is the Beach Creek. Beach Creek's back down. That window's a fucking mess. Look at it. Holy shit. The inside of it is a mess. This is going to be funky, isn't it? Sure, just wander in front of a vehicle there, but I don't know where to park this thing, Tim. There's nowhere to park in here. Short of over that away. I don't know where to put it.
What are you using for it?
Well, did you want to get out for a few minutes or not?
Not really.
Okay, well then we'll just sort of go in and around. Okay.
Put it in that hole.
What?
Put it in that hole.
Well, I guess I could do that for a minute. It says no. Well, this is a bus.
What did you do?
Let's decide it's a bus.
Where?
I'm going to decide it's a bus and go take a couple of quick shots.
What did you hear?
How's that? Okay.
Okay, well, I'll go take a look at this. This is pretty cool.
Cool.
That, my friend, is a 77.
77, okay.
And I have the 79
Oh, wow.
that I've still kept, which really does look like it came off of, you know, Detroit.
The manufacturing line.
Yeah, it was collector families, right?
Yeah.
And I loved these so much, I owned one in every year.
Really? You did all right.
Okay, so that joke on the front where it says 31,
Yeah.
I had a mechanic for years. Oh, you're old enough, I think, to get this. He calls me up one day, he says, I'm putting numbers on them. I said, you're doing what? Because some were work trucks, some were, so I'm putting numbers on all of them. I said, He says, yeah, I'm tired of like the green 77. No, it'll be 31 and 32 and 30.
Exactly, right?
So it's gorgeous out here today, isn't it?
Yeah, we've been out here for a while. We did a wicked walk. It's
Oh. Well, he's
Fantastic.
in there on oxygen, so it complicates it. And I don't even know where to park this thing when I go places.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
long one.
yeah.
It's got a long box plus the full cab.
It
basically
is.
Back then, right?
Yeah. Back.
Crazy.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. What do you mean it's a 75?
Not this one, it's a 75.
No, this is 77. See, he gets it. So I don't know where to park this. Oh my gosh, I see that. Oh yeah. Like, because it takes more to get out of these kinds of spots.
Yeah.
Although right now, I could drive through over that with this thing if I wanted.
Yeah.
So you better open the window if you want to do that for a minute.
Turn my arrow.
Well, then open the door too. And I don't know what to do about people behind me. That window is still a mess, so is this one. I with a little bit of condensation, it would be even worse. I need to have some paper towels in here. Like decent stuff to do whatever. Here, I'm going to take a picture of that where it says no parking, buses only. Circled in green, does that mean the truck? Oh, okay, sure. Well, I don't really know where to park there. Pulling in there, my nose will sit out, is that white truck? It will sit out another almost half of that much. And then I think I can do the wheel radius to do a sharp turn. This one does, and this one turns hurt your shoulder or not as tight. The red one turns. How did you fall? I mean,
It's just a little stupid
I don't know, model or something.
Speed bumps.
Okay, I'm gonna probably put one of those orange things in again. Another one.
Orange things.
Never mind. It's. That's why I got. Here, I thought you were sitting in the truck all the time because that's what we used to do. You get in the truck from someplace, sit in the view changed. Remember that?
Sure do.
Okay, so you're missing lots of shots that I take regularly, many times, but